Traveler, you're here! Anything interesting you want? If you want to adventure together with Benny's adventure, domains are very dangerous. Paimon's heard that the Adventurers Guild has... If Benny got you killed by accident, well, that's because according to the numbers... Traveler, you're... Anything interesting? Nighty-night and sweet dreams! And don't worry, Traveler, anything interesting? You learn new things. You've already got such a good grasp of Tevat's Traveler, anything interesting? It's a well-established tradition. Paimon tried to look around the stalls, but of course, not wearing a... Whoa! You're the best! Yay! Traveler, you're... Anything interesting? No, what Paimon needs, so... Traveler, anything interesting? Do you think your meat? He's been making and testing fire? Yikes! Since your meat, Paimon won't let that happen. Oh! Paimon could follow you. Oh, without, but... What should we do for... Oh, yeah! Paimon didn't think of that solution. How could... Traveler, anything interesting? Cider Lake, the best apple. It really does taste great. Paimon could drink 2 big bottles in a second. Paimon has a special stomach just for tasty drinks. Traveler, anything interesting? That's because Paimon is jealous of people from what? But after getting to... She needs to... Ayaka must be... That's right! If she got an invite from us, there's no way she'd refuse. Besides, if Ayaka... Yeah! Traveler, you're here! Anything interesting? Which do you like more? Cat? Wait, no! Traveler, anything interesting? Which do you like more? Cat? That's cheating! Wait, no! Traveler, anything interesting you wanna... do you think then... Will she... So, what special thing... that makes... Traveler, anything interesting... Walk in 7 clock. Nope. Paimon is just trying a slime creator. Traveler, anything interesting? How does a person become as rich? Well, there's the... Well, Paimon's really good at serving a fisherman's... Okay, then. Traveler, anything interesting? Do you remember Paimon really? Do you have any ideas? Really? If Paimon can't have not... Traveler, anything interesting? It's hard to, but on the flip side, if you are caught, another reason to have paimon, that's more like it. Well, wait a minute. Traveler, anything interesting? Paimon finds that hard work hard. Just look at Huffman. But the ever-relaxed Captain Kaya is, well, Venti's the god of... Traveler, anything interesting? Sayu seems to have a... Paimon can't understand why she'd have so many... After all, it's not Paimon. What? No! Oh. Traveler, anything interesting? You know what a brush is, right? That's correct. They say that finally... But what? Razor's fur is all downy and soft. Huh? Why are they called wolf fur brush? Traveler, anything interesting? Paimon's heard that but linking the couplet is not only does the rhythm need to match, but the let's not waste time here. Traveler, anything interesting? Did you know the solid reed cores are over the years many? The more reeds, the more... So there are a lot of unlucky duelists who fall... Don't get it? Traveler, anything interesting? Nighty-night, and don't worry. Traveler, anything interesting? Become as popular and Paimon's already seen lots of things. Paimon almost drowned that one. Paimon's always... Hey! Traveler, anything interesting you want to talk? Have you noticed in Inazuma, could it be that sword? But the swords here are all too big. Are you saying that more? Really? Hey! Isn't that... Nice try! Traveler, anything interesting? Nighty-night, and don't worry. Traveler, anything interesting? It's time for Paimon's little life. In Mondstadt, if you ever run into... No, and everything that's troubling you will be swept away in an instant. Traveler, anything interesting? Nighty-night, and don't worry. Traveler, anything interesting? Even though it's actual... Just like time? Yeah, that's right. Traveler, anything interesting? Morning! Oh, Traveler, anything interesting? We should get something tasty to eat. Ooh, okay. Super Paimon Tornado! Traveler, you're here! Anything interesting? Morning! Oh. Traveler, anything interesting? Morning! Anything interesting? It's a well-established. Paimon tried to look around the stalls, but hasn't found. Of course, not where. Whoa! You're the. Yay! Traveler. Anything interesting? Do you think that then? Huh. So, what's special? Traveler. Anything interesting? How do you become as popular and cool as Paimon's already seen one? Paimon almost drowned that one. Uh-huh. Paimon's always. Hey. Traveler. Anything interesting? If you want to adventure to domains, or Paimon's heard that if Bennett got you killed by accident, well, that's because according to the Traveler, anything interesting? Do you think he's been making it? Yikes! Paimon won't let that happen. Oh, Paimon can follow you. Oh, but. What should we do for you? Oh, yeah! How could you? Traveler, anything interesting you want to... Morning! Oh. Traveler, anything interesting?